Hi there and welcome back. In today's episode we have this MAN TGS from 2017 which suddenly doesn't want to change the range to low or high. As a matter of fact, the lines from the range doesn't even appear on the dash. So, let's see what we're dealing here. In the past I encountered this problem, but to older models with FIFI-R. This one here, it has a PTM instead of the FIFI-R. I will replace the wires which goes to the gearbox selector, and I'm sorry that I didn't record when I checked them with the multimeter. A better way is to inspect the harness and find the problem location, but in my case this truck needs a very fast repair. So it is what it is. Hi there, just a short break. If sometimes you like watching relaxing videos with old rusted cars, I mean this kind of videos, where a car like this one gets some repairs or a restore, and that without any commentary, no words, no voice, just subtitles. And if so, good news, because I've just launched a new channel which is exactly with this. So please check it out, you will find the link in this video description. Now let's go back to this video and solve this problem. In some cases, this will not gonna work also. If all the wires from the PTM to the gearbox selector are good and everything is okay, well, in that case, the problem is from the PTM, and that's a software problem. And you will need to find someone who can solve this software issue. Well, if you're ever going to do this, what I'm doing now to change these wires, it's better to take a 7 wires cable and replace also those two grounds.